around the corner. Alex, over there. Thank you. So, thank you. Have a good one. Seven's next. Oh, there you go. Thank you. Have a good night. Thank you. Alex? Yes. Thank you.
Can you confirm it for me?
Thank you.
That's a fire truck.
Go. Get it. He's just sitting there. Dude, hurry up. Now he's gonna sit there and have a chat. He's having a little conversation with him. So you need a door. There's no apartment number. Yes, this is Uber Eats delivery. I'm in the apartment building right now, and I was wondering, he didn't leave an apartment number on the app, so I don't know which apartment to drop it off. So please call me back or text me and leave the apartment number, because I'm in the building right now. Go straight to voicemail. Yeah, hello, this is your Uber Eats delivery driver. This is the third time I'm calling. I can't reach you via text, and I'm trying to call you, and I'm just getting a voicemail message. I'm here with the food. I was trying to find out which apartment is yours so I can drop the food off, but there's no apartment on the app. I'm here delivering your food. I just left it there in front, and that's it. If the thing goes straight to voicemail, you can't contact them, and then if I have to cancel the order, it's a whole freaking thing I have to go through with Uber Eats, and there's no contact number with Uber Eats either. Nikki? Yeah, I got another one, Derek.
One of them, instead of the french fries, could you please just pick one is regular and one is
Yeah, this is your Uber Eats delivery. I'm outside the apartment. Okay, thank you. Bye. There you go. Have a good one. Thank you. Back door, so back door, back door, back door, back door. Okay, have a good one. Thank you. Have a good night. Yeah. Zachary? Thank you. Have a good one. There you go. Have a nice night. Thank you. Take care. Picture of it. All good. She's busy looking at her. She's sitting in the middle of the intersection, distracted by something. It's coming from. Stupidity never stops. Never stops. The stupidest place to park. I mean, this is what I mean. You're just messing up everybody. People don't care. They just park anywhere. See how people are? They just, expensive SUV. They just don't care. I'm just gonna sit here and play with my phone. I don't care if I'm blocking traffic, right? Yep. That's it? Thanks.
Soups aside, you're all set.
You got it. Thank you. Have a good one. Take care. Thank you. Okay. Take care. Yeah.
Right on set.
Yep.
Got a heavy break.
It's good to keep busy,
I hear you, brother. I appreciate you keeping busy.
Oh, thank you very much. Have a good one. Take
right.
care. Thank you.
Keep working hard, man.
You too. Thank you. Yes, thank you.
Okay.
There you go.
Hi, thank you. Sorry about that.
That's all right. Have a nice
Have a
night.
good
Thank you.
night.
Take care. Hello, on the phone. How hard is it to, before you step out in the middle of the street, to look where you're going? It's not hard. It's not rocket science. Thank you. How you doing?
Good, brother. How are you?
All right. I put it in the bag for you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. See, they always slip one in that they know you're not going to get to. 4 miles. Look, this is what they do. And then I have to reject it. or not accept it, and my acceptance rate goes down. Then they have a reason to screw you over. They always slip one in there that they know you're not going to take. I swear to God. Maybe I'm being paranoid. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. I'm just saying, with these, it's sneaky. This is a good one. It's sneaky crap. You never know.